Hi, good day. I am EA Santos. This time, I discuss ko yung kailan ba nag-i-issue ng SDT. Pagka binigyan ka na ng letter of authority at saka yung checklist of requirement, yung data na receive mo siya, after 10 days, may marireceive ka na first notice. Then, pag hindi ka pa nagbigay ng mga requirements nila, hindi ka nag-present, yung presentation of records, after 10 days ulit, makaka-receive ka ng second and final notice. Now, kung after 10 days, pagka-receive mo ng second and final notice, hindi ka pa ulit nagbigay ng mga presentation of requirements. Yung mga yung kasunod after 10 days, yung SDT na, yun na yung time na ma-issuehan ka na ng SDT. Bali, 10-10-10 yun. To, 10-10-10. Yan. Ang basis natin, RMO 45-2010. Yun. O, yun lang po. See you!
Kalimutan umiti.